Guys, welcome back to your own channel. So what we have previous week analysis and how it's behave, you can see here what I have told you in gold. Exactly here only it takes supports. You can see here exactly taken support. Our first target reach, second target also reach. You have to book your 70 to 80%. I have always tell you that thing. Okay guys, after that it goes upside, but seller has been came once again, taken it downside, one of the sideways market. After that, this is the trend line you can see here. Okay guys, you have to just draw the trend line like this. After that, you can see that this green candle, boom, you get very nice target in upside momentum. So we have got our first target, second target reached. After that it goes on a consolidation phase. After that also our third target and our slightly a fourth target half reached. Okay guys, so you can see that our analysis is very much accurate. We can see for crude oil, you can see here what we have done analysis is that it will exactly take here support, then you can go, you can see here exactly taken support at this area only. If you have bought and kept your SL at this green candle only low, and you can see that our first target reached, second and third, all three target has been achieved. After that only it became reverse, came downside and become volatile. I have told you also that market will also become a volatile, so don't take over trading. We can see for natural gas, you know that we have taken a so much nice profit in natural gas in previous 4 to 5 weeks. Right now it has to consolidate, and this time it is consolidating only. Here you can say that it exactly taken here resistance, our first target reach. After here only it became reversible. After here exactly taken support, goes upside, our first target slightly below to reach. After that it came once again downside and become a very much volatile market. Okay guys, this is the analysis. You can see that gold and crude oil and natural gas, all the thing what we have discussed in natural gas, it become a sideways market, but in gold and crude oil we have achieved our all the target guys. Hope you.
So you can see here guys the analysis of coffee. You can see here exactly I have told you this is the trend line. If this will broke, you can see that it broken. After that our first target reached, second target, third target, all target reached. After the consolidation happened and goes up till here. After that slightly a gap down we have seen, came downside once again at this place only, it consolidate and taken it upside momentum, but once again a gap up open. After that once again came downside at the good place, because this is at a supporting area. Okay guys, so you can see that our first, second, third all target has been reached in.
Like this video guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel guys. Thank you guys.